Light up dog collar that you can't see lighting up, but I can. It does light up. You put it on your dog lights up. You can see your dog at night with this dog collar. Welcome to the Willie Bill Outdoor Show. It's good, isn't it? Whoa. Hey y'all, this is Willie Bill. I got a review for you today. Today what I got for you is this here dog collar. This is a MASBRILL MASBRILL dog collar, apparently. And a piece of it's sticking out. And that's funny because I don't know why or even what this part is for. And honestly, I'm a little worried that might be a charging port and I don't know how to charge this thing. Huh. That's actually very interesting. This looks like it comes apart. Does this come out? It looks like that's your button. Does it come out this side? No. What is that? Shoot, I think that's a charging port. This might be a very short review because I don't know how this thing works completely. I got a collar because I do some nighttime stuff with my dog, and I wanted to have the ability to put a collar on him that you could see at night. So this one is a light up dog collar. That is it lighting up? It is. I don't know if you can see it though. If you can't see it, you're going to have to trust me that's lighting up. And maybe I should consider doing a different review where I review this when it's getting dark so you can see it. But that's not what I did today. So light up dog collar that you can't see lighting up, but I can. It does light up. You put it on your dog lights up. You can see your dog at night with this dog collar that I might or might not have the ability to charge. And that's what we have today. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Take care, y'all.